Your chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, today I'm installing a wig from Luvmehair, this beautiful bob wig, which is super easy to install. Like, if you're a beginner in wigs, this wig is about to be your bestie, especially if you're looking for a cute short 10-inch bob. I got you over here. Alright y'all, here is the finished installation process. What do we think? All I did honestly was just straighten the hair, cut the lace off. That's it. Like, the wig requires no more than that because your lace comes bleached. You have minimum lace to work with. It's a short wig, so you don't have to spend all day straightening the hair or curling it if you feel like you want to do that. And I love the texture. It's a Yaki texture wig, straight blunt cut bob, glueless. Did I say glueless? Because if I didn't, it's glueless, guys. Literally an easy throw on and go wig. It's perfect. So the way the lace is made, I showed you guys earlier, but you see this little parting space you get here. It's just a C-part lace. So literally your lace is around your front little hairline like a closure, and then you get the little lace right here. So please keep in mind that this is a left side parting wig. If you're somebody who does not want your wig on the left side, this might not be for you. So it comes with a natural hairline, pre-plucked, and no baby hair is needed. You can see that this looks like a whole sleigh without doing all of your creative baby hairs. Now don't get me wrong, if you want to add baby hairs, please feel free to do so, but it looks great without them. It looks full. Like, you don't get to the ends and then it just looks like it has straggly thin ends. It looks full all the way around, which I really appreciate. It's also very big head friendly. I'm on the bigger head side, so I have room in this one. If you keep that in mind, if you're someone who feels like you usually run into a small sized wig, you definitely have space in this one. They also give you an adjustable band to make sure that you can get your wig as snug fit as you would like to, especially if you're going to wear it glueless, so that way it's comfortable and it won't be slipping and sliding. So if you're interested in switching up your style this fall, definitely check out this unit. If you're looking for a good quality, well-priced human hair wig, definitely check out Luvmehair. I'll have this direct link to this wig in my description bar below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in my comment section. I'm happy to answer them. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Luvmehair for sending over today's wig, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.